Sweet morning to all my dear champs. How are you all? Hope all of you are in the best of your health with God's grace. Children, last week we did opposites and I hope all of you understood the topic as it was very easy topic. Today I will be taking up another topic in grammar. So please be ready with your books. Again today it's an easy topic. And the name of the topic is punctuation. So today I will be taking up punctuation marks. All of you, I hope you know what are punctuation marks. Full stop, comma, inverted commas, question mark, exclamatory marks, all these signs which we use to give different, you can say, kind of pauses or a halt to a sentence are known as punctuation marks. So I will be explaining you one by one and then we will be doing the exercises from your book. So let's get started. First is capital letter and full stop. Yes, children, whenever we write a sentence, it always begins with a capital letter and it ends with a full stop as well as with question mark and your exclamatory mark. But it depends upon the kind of the sentence. If we are asking a question, so obviously it will be ending with question mark. If we are giving any sudden feeling, so it will be ending with exclamatory mark. Otherwise, in other cases, simple talk or simple sentences when we speak, so it ends with a full stop. For example, the girl is playing the piano. So you can see here the T is the first letter, so it's starting with the capital letter and it's ending with the full stop, because here I'm not asking any question or nor I'm giving any sudden feeling. I'm just in routine telling you the girl is playing a piano, so it's ending with the full stop. A sentence begins with a capital letter and ends with a full stop. The pronoun I is written in the capital letter wherever it appears. Yes, children, very important thing to remember. Whenever you write I means first person when we are talking about ourselves, whether it is at the beginning of the sentence or in the middle of the sentence or it may be at the end of the sentence. I is always capital. Please remember this. This is a very common mistake as kids we make. So please remember from today onwards, whenever you are using I, means for yourself, there you will always use it as capital. You will never write small I. For example, Amit and I are brothers. Now you can see here I is written in capital letters. Next is a proper noun always begins with a capital letter. Yes, again, the rule of the punctuation is like full stop, comma, inverted comma or exclamatory sign. We put same in the is the case with the proper noun. Whenever we use the proper noun, it's always in with the capital. It can be at the beginning of the sentence or at the middle of the sentence or it can be at the end of the sentence. It is always with the capital letter. Proper noun. Proper noun, I hope all of you know that the special name given to any person or place or thing is known as a proper noun. For example, if I say my name is Aarti, so Aarti here is coming at the end of the sentence, but Aarti A will be capital because it's a proper name. I teach in Cecil Convent School. Cecil Convent School is the proper name of a particular school. I'm not saying I teach in a school. I'm saying I'm giving the proper name of a school, Cecil Convent School. So C, C and S will be capital. Here is another example. She gave the book to Kamlesh. So Kamlesh here is a proper noun, so K will be capital. And it's a simple sentence, so it's ending with a full stop and starting with the capital letter S, she. Now beta, question mark, I told you which asks question. The sentence ends with the question mark. For example, how many cookies did you eat? Question mark is there. I am asking a question. A sentence that asks a question ends with a question mark. Again, more examples are there. What color is the dog? Will you play with me? See, these are the two questions asked. But if I give the answer of these questions, they will be in full stop. For example, what color is the dog? The dog is brown in color. Full stop. Will you play with me? Yes, I will play with you. Full stop. But after yes, it will be comma. Because in further I will be showing you and telling you when I will explain you about comma. After when we give any answer in short form like yes or no. So whenever we give any answer in yes or no, we put comma after yes. Yes, I will play with you. Or no, comma, I will not play with you. Here is again now that point which I was telling you. Comma is used to separate three or more words. Children, it is not necessary three, it can be more than two. It can be two also, two or more than two words in a list. Comma is also used after introductory words such as yes, no, well, hello. Example is hello, comma, how are you doing? Comma is also used for giving short pause in a sentence. Now next is your exclamation mark. But before that, one more example of comma I can tell you. You can take up, for example, my mother bought pencil, comma, eraser, comma, sharpener and a pen for me. So to separate 2-3 things we use comma. Now is the exclamatory mark. As I have told you earlier also, exclamation mark is used to give the certain feeling, show the certain feeling, and it is like this. Wow, what a cute baby. Alas, the cat is dead. So wow, what a cute baby. Here I am getting surprised, so exclamatory mark is there. Alas, the cat is dead. Here I am giving you sad feeling. Alas is used when we are sad. It's a sad feeling. We use exclamation mark at the end of the word or a sentence to show the feeling such as surprise, anger or joy. I hope children this much is clear. Now we will take up your book and I will explaining from there also. First of all, write the date, day and classwork here, then we will start reading it. Punctuation. Punctuation marks help us to understand the meaning of sentence and write correctly. First is capital letter. We use the capital letter when it begins a new sentence. For example, Charlie is playing cricket. All these I have already explained you. This is just a repetition of all that what I have explained you just now. We also use capital letters when we write proper noun. Example, I have visited New Delhi, Kolkata and Mumbai. So here New Delhi, Kolkata and Mumbai are proper nouns. So N, D, K and M will be capital. Next is your comma. We use a comma between two similar words or ideas. Again, I have told you to join 2 or 3 more words of the same kind. Example, there is a notebook, comma, a pencil, comma, an eraser and a pen on your table. Robin woke up, comma, brushed his teeth, comma, ate breakfast, comma, wore his uniform and went to class. Next, we also use a comma to separate many adjectives used to describe the same noun. Yes, children, sometimes we use many adjectives to describe one thing. Then also we use comma. Example, the bright, comma, red color of the house caught our eyes. Next is a question mark. We use a question mark at the end of a question. For example, is Maya at home? Question mark, I told you how we use it whenever we are asking a question. Next is your exclamatory mark. We put an exclamation mark at the end of a sentence that shows strong feeling or after an interjection. Example, what a tasty dish it is. Ouch! Exclamatory mark. I hurt myself, my foot. So, exclamatory mark is used when we give certain feeling or after the interjection words. And all of you know, ouch, oops, hurrah, eeks, all these are your interjection words. Now, children, we will make ourselves more clear after doing these exercises. So, let's get started. Rewrite the following sentences after adding comma at the right places. First is Radha, Sudha, Meeta and Kirti are neighbors. So we will be writing the answer like this. Radha, Sudha, Meeta and Kirti are neighbors. I want a red ball, a remote controlled car and a book for my birthday. I want a red ball, a remote controlled car and a book for my birthday. That thick black book with many colorful pictures belongs to my father. That thick black book, with many colorful pictures belongs to my father. Last year I visited Dehradun, New Delhi and Srinagar. And there is comma after last year also. Last year, I visited Dehradun, New Delhi and Srinagar. The fairy sprinkled some magic dust on Uni, waved her wand and flew away. The fairy sprinkled some magic dust on Uni, waved her hand and flew away. Full stop is already there. April, May and June are the hottest month of the year. I hope children you have done this. Let's move on to exercise B. Very easy again. Rewrite the sentences using the necessary punctuation marks. Meera and I are good friends. Here Meera, M capital, and I capital are good friends. After friends, it's full stop. Pune, Kolkata and Chennai are important cities. Pune, Kolkata. P capital, K capital, Chennai, C capital are important cities. After cities, it's full stop. Would you like to eat a jam sandwich or a cheese sandwich? Would, W capital, you like to eat a jam sandwich or a cheese sandwich? Question mark at the end. Is that a cup or a mug? Is, I capital, that a cup or a mug? At the end, it's a question mark. Ganga, Yamuna and Saraswati are the main rivers of North India. Ganga, G capital, Yamuna, Y capital, and Saraswati, S capital, are the main rivers of North, N capital, India, I capital, and full stop at the end of the sentence. Sixth, alas, the king is no more. Alas, A capital, then exclamation mark, the T capital, and full stop at the end of the sentence. Seventh, my favorite subjects are English and mathematics. My, M capital, favorite subjects are English, E capital, and mathematics, M capital, and after that full stop at the end of the sentence. Number 8, Mount Everest is the highest peak of the Himalayas. Mount Everest, M and E capital, and Himalayas, H capital, and full stop after Himalayas. 9th, Patna is the capital of Bihar. Patna, P capital, Bihar, B capital, and full stop at the end. Hurrah! India has won the match. Hurrah! Or you can say hooray. Both are correct. H capital and exclamatory mark after hooray. India, I capital, has won the match. Full stop at the end of the sentence. Rama and Sheetal attend dance classes. Rama, R capital, Sheetal, S capital, attend dance classes. After classes, it's full stop. How cold it is today. How, H capital, and after today, it's exclamatory mark. How cold it is today. Now, children, I hope all of you understood this topic well. Still, any doubt, anything you want to ask me, you can ask me in tomorrow's live class. And children, please complete these exercises, both of them, and send me for checking as soon as possible. Till then, bye. Have a great day. God bless you all.